morning and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been about a week since my last update, and I apologize in advance for this video if the audio sounds a little weird. I'm not using my external mic, so like I said, I apologize for that. I wanted to bring you guys up to date with the GLI and where it sits as far as modifications go. I do have 2 or 3 on order, and one of them should be here tomorrow. Today's Thursday, so one of them should be here tomorrow. I'll get that on, of course, get a video for you. The other one should be here next week sometime, maybe the week after. I don't know, it's coming from Hong Kong, and I have a feeling that's not even gonna fit. So I might be selling that, and yeah, it sucks when you order something and you know, as soon as you click that submit order button, you know right off the bat, crap, what did I just do? I think I ordered the wrong one. And of course the company's in Hong Kong, and everyone's, you know, really hard to get a hold of when you're over there. I actually managed to get a hold of somebody, oddly enough, and I sent him an email, and I asked him, you know, I told him, hey, I ordered this part, I don't think it's gonna fit. I think it's for the wrong year or the wrong generation altogether. It said it would fit a Mark 7 GTI, a Mark 7 Type R, and a Mark 7 GLI, which they had a range from like 15 to 17. Well, there is no such thing as a Mark 7 GLI to begin with. So I did a little bit of research on their website, and come to find out it does not fit a Mark 6 a Mark 6 Jetta or a Mark 6 GLI for that point. It told me to inspect a certain aspect of the car. I can't give too many details because it would ruin the surprise. It's not even anything huge, but you know, any modification to your vehicle or my vehicle is, you know, a step in the right direction in my opinion. Yeah, so I don't know if it's gonna fit. Another website that sells something similar, or their version, I guess you want to say, it was also $20 or $30 more through a different website. Their website said it does fit a Mark 6 GLI, so I don't know what to believe. From what I looked at on my car and compared it to this part, I don't think it's gonna fit. But like I said, it'll be here hopefully next week sometime. I ordered it last week, and it said it was 12 to 20 days. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, we've got a few modifications coming up that I'm gonna do. Of course, you guys are gonna see the videos for that, and one huge modification that's coming in about a month, so stay tuned. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I always give little details, little snippets or clips or previews of what's coming to the car. I know I probably shouldn't do that because it ruins the surprise element. But you know, everyone likes a good teaser when it comes to parts and modifications done to their vehicle, or a vehicle similar to what everyone else drives that, you know, that follows you. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring you guys up to date what was going on with the car and its future. I kind of feel like I'm just sitting in dead water right now, or cold water right now, because I don't really have any content to upload. So that's why I figured I'd do this update. If you guys have any questions or suggestions as to future modifications, leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to reply as quickly as I can. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a big like for me, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next time.